Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup video with a set of 20x12 American Truxx 166 strikers with a negative 44mm offset in a gloss black with a milled window finish. And then we're running some 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tires in a 12 ply. Now these American Truxx strikers, they're offered in a 20x9 and a 20x12 in a 22x14. They're offered in a gloss black with a milled window, which is what we have here. They're offered in a chrome finish, and then they're offered in a gloss black with more milling, meaning the left side of the spoke is milled rather than the right side. Why did they come out with two different wheels with two different mills? I don't really know. I don't really care. It's American Truxx's deal. So they're offered in the 20x9, a 20x12, and a 22x14, and this is a 20x12 on this truck. Now these Fury Country Hunter RT tires, I absolutely love them. I'm a real big fan of them. They handle great, they balance well. They're RT tires, so it's a hybrid. It's the tread pattern of an all-terrain, the depth of a mud terrain. So it's the best of both worlds, and they come in at a great price point, so you cannot beat them. Here's the thing about these Fury RT tires. They went through a rough patch in the manufacturing process. So they had a rough batch where they were asking for like 10 to 12 ounces of weight, which is way too much weight. So if you get a tire and it asks for that much weight, you need to send it back. They should ask for under 3 ounces of weight. If they ask for more, then talk to whoever you bought the tire from. With that being said, I absolutely love this tire and wheel combo. I love the wheels, I love the tires. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these tires and wheels, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get them shipped out to you today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. Thanks for watching, and no, we are not sponsored by Yeti, but I want to sit on it and shoot this video. So, thanks for watching, and have a great day.